Take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, custom perforated leather appointed front seat trim, airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, sunroof, power mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cool LED, driver and front passenger front bucket, LTZ Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, audio system with navigation, FM system stereo with CD player, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.